Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I wanna tell you how to make this cool before and after transition on your video. Let's go to DaVinci Resolve, create new project, and now I have a ready transition. Take your original video and do color correction. I already have it, so I will show next step. After color grading, you need to make a copy of this video. Click copy and paste. I'll take my finished piece. After this, duplicate it on top of your original video. Go to the video tab and look for the edge wipe effect. Drag it to your top video. Increase duration. I do about 7 seconds longer. Now I change the angle. I put somewhere minus 60 degrees. After that, I put a small frame. In this way you can see the transition better. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If video was useful for you, like it, leave comment and subscribe to my channel. And see you in new video.